This is the DIY Project Challenge. Today, I'm trying to build a giant Tic Tac Toe board using only scrap wood. Then we'll test it out to see how well it works. Here's the rules. No buying new wood. I can only use scrap wood. Other than that, this challenge has no other rules. But here's the problem. Some of this wood has been left out in the rain and snow for months, and it's a little rough. But let's see what we can do with it. If you liked this video, check out Can I Build a Home Gym in One Day? And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next big challenge.